Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Burson, Professor of Systematic Theology here at Concordia Seminary. I want to personally invite you to our upcoming Prof Insights workshop, Treasures Old and New, a workshop on adult faith formation at Trinity Lutheran Church in Vesper, Wisconsin. In today's post-Christian world, forming adult disciples is one of our greatest missional challenges. This workshop draws from ancient catechumenal practices to help us respond with both wisdom and creativity. Together, we'll explore how faith formation can shape Christian identity through Scripture, the sacraments, and a culture of hospitality. You'll hear about vibrant LCMS parishes through my and Dr. Rhoda Schuller's research, who are already seeing the fruits of these practices in their own communities. Join us and rediscover how adult faith formation can renew and revitalize the entire congregation in shaping the faith of new Christians. You can find out more by visiting csl.edu/workshop series or scan the QR code on your screen. I hope to see you there in Vesper, Wisconsin.